What if I told you it's not your job, your background, or your luck, but a few daily habits that are silently keeping you broke? Not obvious habits, not things people talk about, but small behaviors you repeat every single day that slowly destroy your chances of building wealth. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize they're doing it. Today, I'm going to break down 10 habits that block wealth, and more importantly, how to actually fix them. Hey, my name's Sai, and if you're someone who wants more out of life, more money, more freedom, more control, this video might change how you look at your daily routine forever. Let's get into it.
Habit number 1, living only for today.
Most people don't think long term. They think about what feels good right now. Scrolling, ordering food, avoiding hard work. And yeah, it feels good in the moment. But here's the truth. Wealth is built by people who sacrifice today for a better tomorrow.
Fix.
Start asking yourself one simple question. Will this matter in 5 years? If the answer is no, you're probably wasting your time.
Habit number 2, not investing in skills.
Your income is directly tied to your skills. If your skills don't grow, your income won't either. A lot of people stay stuck because they stop learning after school, and then they wonder why their life isn't improving.
Fix.
Pick one high-income skill, editing, copywriting, marketing, AI tools, and commit to learning it every single day. Because at the end of the day, skills are the real moneymakers.
Habit number 3, overthinking instead of taking action.
You have ideas, you have plans, but you don't act because you're scared. What if I fail? What will people think? So you wait and wait and wait until nothing happens.
Fix.
Follow the 72-hour rule. If you have an idea, take action within 72 hours. Not perfect action, just action. Because clarity comes from doing, not thinking.
Habit number 4, poor money management.
Let's be real. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a spending problem. Money comes in and it disappears. No saving, no investing.
Fix.
Use this simple rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% invest, even if it's a small amount. Because wealth isn't built by how much you earn, it's built by how much you keep and grow.
Habit number 5, negative environment.
Your environment shapes your mindset. If you're surrounded by people who complain, avoid risks, think small, eventually you will too.
Fix.
You don't have to cut people off, but you do need to upgrade your inputs. Listen to podcasts, watch successful people, follow growth-focused content, because you become what you consume.
Habit number 6, no discipline.
Motivation is unreliable. Some days you feel like working, most days you don't. And if you only act when you feel motivated, you'll never be consistent.
Fix.
Build a system. Set a daily routine. 2 to 3 hours of focused work, no distractions, same time every day. Because discipline beats motivation every time.
Habit number 7, wasting time, the silent killer.
This one hurts because we all do it. Hours on social media, endless scrolling, doing nothing but feeling busy. And slowly, your time disappears.
Fix.
Replace, not remove. Don't try to quit everything at once. Just do this. 1 hour scrolling to 1 hour learning. Small changes, big results.
Habit number 8, avoiding risk.
Playing it safe feels comfortable, but comfort kills growth.
Every successful person you look up to took risks, not stupid risks, calculated risks.
Fix.
Do one uncomfortable thing every month. Start something new. Try freelancing, post content. Growth lives outside your comfort zone.
Habit number 9, lack of focus.
Most people try everything and master nothing. They start YouTube, business, gym, and quit all of them halfway.
Fix.
Focus on one thing for 90 days. Just one. Go all in. Because energy divided equals results destroyed.
Habit number 10, making excuses.
This is the biggest one. I don't have time. I don't have money. I don't have resources. But the truth is, there are people with less than you doing more than you.
Fix.
Adopt this mindset. Everything is my responsibility. No excuses, just action. Look, wealth isn't just about money. It's about habits. It's about discipline. It's about how you show up every single day. Fix your habits, and your life will follow. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.